What's that one say?
Bun.
Can I see it?
Bun.
Orange barn. What's that one say? Oh, that's your teacher's name. What's her name?
Jude.
Jody.
Blue.
Blue, the color blue. Lake. Oh, no, that one says, what does Kipper say? What does Kipper say?
Ouch.
Yeah, that says Kipper. Ouch.
Ouch.
That's right.
Up.
Up.
Dada.
Dada. Meow. Cat. Good one, honey.
Book.
Book. Do you see the one that says juice?
Yep.
Where's the one that says juice? Do you see it? I see tush. There it is. Juice. What about the one that says milk?
Milk.
Milk. Good job, honey. I wonder where's work hard? Is it in there? That one's Kipper. Should Mama look? Let's see. Ugh. I don't know if it's here.
Look.
I'm looking. Maybe it's under the potty. What's that one say?
Dad.
Yeah, that one says Dada. Well, that doesn't say work hard, but what's this one say? Who's that?
Bun.
Not Orange Barn. Is that your doggy?
Duck.
It's Chenoa. That one says Chenoa. Yeah. Pretty good though, baby. Pretty good. Yeah, you like that book.
Gaga.
Madagascar.
Baby Gaga. Baby Gaga.
Baby Madagascar?
Yep.
That's Mama's phone. What's it say?
Dada.
It's Dada? Probably not. Dada's upstairs. Let's see. Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Baba.